Myself, I am Dr. M.I. Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions, integrated campus, Hyderabad, estimation, quantity surveying, and valuation. Unit 4, rate analysis. I explain different type of specification of the items. Now, here we are going to solve one problem. This is 1 cubic meter wet concrete is equal to 1.52 meter cube dry concrete, approximately specific weight of concrete 1440 kg per meter cube or 1.44 ton per meter cube. One bag of cement equal to 50 kg. Here, if you see for 1 cubic meter, here always you see here now here why we have to take for to get 1 cubic meter wet concrete, we have to take 1.52 meter cube dry concrete. That's nearly more than 50%, 52 to 53%, or some in books 54% increase. Why? Because of various mixing and whites. So the for 1 cubic wet concrete, what is the required dry volume? 1.52 cubic meter. This is very important. You have to note it. You must remember this is approximately because this is expansion and contraction, thermal expansion, and also chemical action, and to avoid whites. When we are mixing with cements and the volume decreases. So for 1 cubic meter of wet concrete, how much dry concrete required? 1.52 meter cube. Okay, and unit weight calculated for concrete and this cement. Concrete is 1440 kg per cubic meter, and one bag of cement 50 kgs. Now calculate the quantity of materials for the following items. Now this is the questions generally you will get in examinations. RCC 1:2:4 or RCC 1:3:6. How to calculate these values by using this method, rate analysis method. First, this is a calculation of quantity. First, we have to, in rate analysis, first we have to calculate quantities of different items. What are the different items? See, RCC quantity with 1:2:4, or for slabs or beam columns, beams 1:1.5:3. That is these materials depend upon the grade of the concrete or nominal mix or design mix of the quantities. So depend upon the structure. Suppose footings. See, many these persons and they will go for M15, that is 1:2:4 concrete, and some PCC work 1:3, 1.5:3:3:6 for use works. Okay, see here we have to calculate the 1:2:4. I will show you example of 1:2:4, and you will understand in a better way. So if you look at, to get 1 cubic meter of dry volumes, you need to have 1.252 meter cubic meter dry concrete. So here, how to calculate by using calculator? You know the ratio here. What is this ratio? 1:2:4, and what is the quantity required for 20 cubic meter? Here, quantity of cement required for 20 cubic meter is equal to how much we required. Here is 1/1 plus 2 plus 3. What is that? This is proportionate. See, 1:2:4. if you divide it by 1 plus 2 plus 4, that you will get cement quantity here. Here you will get cement quantity, that is 1 cement. Here you will get cement quantity. How we are calculating? Because that is quantity, cement quantity, how much here you required is, how much here you required is equal to 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3, 4. So similarly, if ratio is different, that is you to take 1 plus 1.5 is plus 3, or 1 is to 3 is to 6 means 1 plus 3 plus 6. Like that, if you divide for 1, you will get cement quantity. And similarly, if you multiply by 2, you will get sand quantity. And if you multiply by, that is 4, you will get coarse aggregate quantity. Here, I will explain. See, for to get 1 cubic meter, generally we can take 10 cubic meter, and then we will calculate 1 cubic meter, but here directly taken, so that the cement quantity required for 1 cubic meter is equal to 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 4 into 1.24, 1.5 here, 1. Here if you see here 1.52 here. If you see here, why? Because to get 1 cubic meter of wet concrete, we need to have 1.2 dry material. So that's why to get corresponding material, we are considering here 1.52 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 4 into 1. That you will get for 1 cubic meter. See, here in the question, he asked for 20 cubic meter, how much cement bags required. See, for your work, if you are given for 20 cubic meter work, what are the cement required? See, that is a RCC work. Say footings you are going to construct with RCC 1:2:4. So you may ask, you for the day you need 20 cubic meter concrete RCC for RCC work. So without reinforcement, this is here need PCC. Okay. Okay, RCC means we will provide reinforcement. That reinforcement we will calculate separately here. And for if you provide reinforcement, approximate dry concrete materials are 1.52. And this you can calculate 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 4 into 1.52. You will get for 1 cubic meter. So into 20, that is given the problem, he asked for 20 cubic meter, that is equal to 4.14 cubic meter. So as you know that 1 bag of cement 50 kgs. So from that you can calculate how many cubic meters you calculate cement, so that you will get ultimately 1.9426. So you can use calculator and calculate, you will get here, you see 1 cubic meter, you see cement is equal to kgs. Here you will get 1 cubic meter equal to 1505.74 kgs, and if you divide it by that 50, you will get bags. See, in 1 bag 50 kgs, so 1 cubic meter you have to calculate like this, and see, really for depend upon grades, you will have different bags, and here 1 cubic meter here cement is calculated like this. So what is the volume of next? Here you should remember that for 1 cubic meter of cement equal to 1505 kgs of cement. Okay, this is equivalent to Portland cement. That is 1 cubic meter value. If you can converter and you can have converters like that, you can convert it into kgs. Now, similarly, you can calculate other quantities like sand here, and for sand, that ratio, because here 2 is sand. Now, 2 multiplied by 1.52 into 20, you will get sand quantity for 20 cubic meter of RCCO. Similarly, quantity of coarse aggregates that you multiplied by 4. So 4 by 1.52, this is dry, into 20 you will get, for 20 cubic meter you need 16.56 cubic meter. Like that you have to calculate it by using your calculator. You have to calculate the quantities of cement, sand for 10 cubic meter or 20 cubic meter, whatever it may be. Similarly, in second B question 1:3:6. So this calculated, you asked to find for 15 cubic meter. So 1 by 10, that is 1 plus 3 plus 6 is 10. So the first cement required 65.6 bags. Similarly, sand required 6.84 bags. So in this way, we have to calculate for different items and different rates. We'll see some more problems in next video. Thank you. I will end this session.